transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. An Amber Alert has been issued on behalf of the Memphis Police Department for Genesis Rodriguez. Genesis is a 14-year-old Hispanic female, 5 feet 0 inches tall, 94 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Genesis was last seen on February 21, 2025 on Nightway Road in Memphis, Tennessee. Genesis was taken by an armed unknown male in a black ski mask and camo jacket. Genesis was last seen wearing a black jacket, plaid black-white shirt, and black boots. If you have seen Genesis or have information regarding her whereabouts, please contact the Memphis Police Department at 9015-432-700 or the TBI 1800 TBIFI North Day.